Good morning, children. This is Jaya Miss, starting with new chapter number 3, addition. Kindly remove your maths notebook and textbook. Textbook page number 18. Thank you. In your textbook page number 18, there are simple addition sums. I have solved one for you. Rest, sum number 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to solve it in your maths notebook. Okay? 342 plus 123. This is simple addition. The answer is 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 2 at tens place is 6. And 3 plus 1 at hundreds place is 4. Okay? Please solve the sums in maths notebook. Study the horizontal arrangement of the sums given below. Children, what is vertical and what is horizontal? Vertical means standing and horizontal means sleeping. As you can see, arrange the vertically and add. So I have solved one sum for you. You will write 1000, 100, tens, units because it is a 4-digit number. Then you will write the number 2301 plus 4056. You will write the numbers and then you will add numbers at unit place. So what are the numbers at unit place? 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 5 is at tens place is 5. Then you will add the numbers at 100 place. 3 plus 0 is 3 and 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, children, this is vertical, means standing addition. Now horizontal. So horizontal means sleeping. You will add the numbers at unit place. So 6 is at units place and 3 is at units place. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So you will add the numbers at unit place to unit place, tens place to tens place, hundreds place to hundreds place, and thousands place to thousands place. So you will get the answer 9199. I hope, children, you have understood. These are all simple additions. Just you have to do it vertically and horizontally. Question number 1 and question number 2, I have solved one example for you. In the video, you will see more examples. Okay? So kindly do all these sums in your maths notebook. Question number 3 is match the equal numbers in the 3 column. Okay, so the numbers are given 14,000 plus 300. So which is the number 14,000 plus 300? See, in the first column it's already given. You will match it with 14,000 plus 300 and then you will match in the second column 14,300. Okay, children? Similarly, you are going to solve rest 3 sums. Thank you. Vertically and add. Exercise on page number 18. Children, first you will arrange them. So, how many numbers are there? there are 4 numbers. So it is units, tens, 100, 1000. So how you are going to write the place value of the number? Let us see. First you will make units column, then you will make tens column, then you will make hundreds column, then thousand. TH is for 1000. Now you will write the numbers. 2301. 1, 0, 3 and 2. 2 at thousands place. Then you will write the second number and always start from the number at units place. So 6 will be at units place, 5 will be at tens place, 0 will be at hundreds place, and 4 will be at thousands place. Now first you add both the numbers at units place. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Right, children? I want you to write this way in your maths notebook. Arrange them and then do it in your maths notebook. So let us add 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 5 is, what is 0 plus 5 at tens place? 5. 3 plus 0 is, at hundreds place it is 3. And 2 plus 4 at thousands place is 6. Right, children? So the answer is 6,357. Now let us solve another sum. See, I am just solving few sums. Rest sums you are going to do it yourself in your maths notebook. $3,456 plus see 24,531. So there are 5 numbers in the second number. So you are going to make 10,000 column also. And then you are going to write the number, first number. 6 at units place, 5 at tens place, 4 at hundreds place, 3 at thousands place. Then second sum. 1 at units place, 3 at tens place, 5 at hundreds place, 4 at thousands place, and 2 at 10,000s place. Right, children? Then let us add the numbers at units place. 6 plus 1, 7. Add the numbers at unit place. 5 plus 3, 8 at tens place. 4 plus 5, 9 at hundreds place. And 3 plus 4 at thousands place is how much, children? 7. And 2 doesn't have any number to add, so you will just write directly 2. This is an example sum, children. From you're going to solve the exercise in your maths notebook. Taking one more sum, this is 999 plus 4000. Similarly, you will write the place values, unit, tens, hundred and thousand, because the second number 4000 has 4 numbers. First you will write 999, 9 units, 9 tens and 900. Right, children? Then you will write the second number. 0 at units place, 0 at tens place, 0 at hundreds place and 4 at thousands place. Now let us add. 9 plus 0 at units place is 9. Similarly, 9 plus 0 at tens place is also 9. And 9 plus 0 at hundreds place is also 9. And 4 at thousands place will come down and you will write 4. So it is 4999. Practically, previously we have done vertical method, which I have already showed you. Now I am going to teach horizontal. See, there are 4-digit numbers. So you don't have to do anything, just add the numbers from unit to unit, tens to tens, hundred to hundred and thousand to thousand. So let us start. See, 6 is at units place and 3 is also at units place. So you will add them. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, children? Then 0 plus 9 is also 9. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. And 7 plus 2 is 9. Right, children? So it is 9199. Now moving ahead with our second sum. 411 and 588. Okay, so the numbers at units place. 1 plus 8. What is 1 plus 8, children? 9. 1 tenth and 8 tenths is 9 tenths. And 4 tenths and 400 and 500 is 900. So it is 999. Now let us see the third sum. 279 plus 97,410. 9 plus 0 at units place is 9. 7 tenths and 1 tenth is 8 tenths. Okay. 200s and 400 is 600. Now there are no value at first number, so we will directly write 97 from the second number. So it is 97,689. See, children, similarly you will add the numbers at unit place. 7, 4, 0, 0 will come 0 at hundreds place. 3 plus 2 at thousands place will become 5, and directly you will write 10,000 at 5. So it is 55,747. Children, similarly 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then it will be 9. Now the last sum. 8 at units place, 1 at unit place. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. And then 8 at 10,000's place. So it is 89,599. Children, I hope you have understood the horizontal method. Now match the equal numbers in the 3 column. 14,000 plus 300. This is the first sum. First column, second column, 3 columns. Okay, there are 3 columns. Now 14,000 plus 300. What is 14,000 plus 300? Let us search in the second column. It is match. Come on, children. Then 14,300 in the third column. Okay, children. Now the second sum is 2,000 plus 90. What is 2,000 plus 90? Search for 2,000 plus 90. Yes. And in the third column, 2,000 plus 2,090. $500 plus 100. You will search and solve it. See, 500 plus 100 is 609. You are doing an addition. 99,702. 99,702.